Hi, and welcome to Timberdoodle's 2019 11th grade curriculum. Grace is here with me, and we're going to give kind of an overview for what's included in this grade. Let's start off with language today. Right. So we have two language programs in this grade. Implications of literature is the literature aspect of it. So basically, your child will have a textbook full of different pieces of different works of literature. But it's more in depth than that. If you want your child to have a more in-depth program, it has questions that it will ask along the way. It has prompts for writing assignments, for critiquing, the literary critique, for the vocabulary bank, and so on. So very in-depth program, comes with a teacher's manual if you need that too. Just a great look at some literary works for your child. For the Christian grade, there's Power in Your Hands. Would you like to talk about that?
Yes. Okay, so this is going to do the work on nonfiction writing for your high school students. So it's going to be essays, it's going to be description, and this is a really friendly, sometimes even humorous approach to writing for high school students.
Very approachable. For the non-religious grade, we have the Paradigm English Writing Skills, which is basically covers a bunch of skills culminating in the ability to be able to write a research paper. So it comes in bunch of these little chapter textbooks, so your child feels successful. They complete, I think there's 5 of them. Yep, 5 of them with an accompanying activity book, which is fill in the blank from what you have learned and read in the textbook portion.
Very approachable.
Very approachable.
Okay, so for history, we have the Exploring America and Exploring Government. This is for the religious curriculums, and this is going to have just a ton of great photography and really fascinating stuff for your
Works
students.
of art and stuff.
Yep. So you also will have the student review packs, the quizzes that go along with that, and has quite a bit of, we hold these truths, which is going to be historic documents and essays. It's a very complete program. For the non-religious kits, we have the History of the Ancient World by Susan Weisbauer. This is going to be a very thorough introductory to ancient history, and then comes along with a study and teaching guide for them. So. Yep. Everything you need there. Science.
Medical Investigation 101. This is an approach that we have not seen before and is very engaging, much more engaging than science program you typically think of. And basically, they put you in the role of being the doctor or diagnosing what's going on, then discuss what the symptoms are, what the side effects of this disease could be, what should you do then. Just very engaging. Comes with the student workbook, teacher's manual. Kids are going to love that one.
It's fantastic. Along with that, what really augments that is the precepts of anatomy and physiology. Yeah. A very brief, I believe this is a half a credit, and just a fantastic introductory.
Overview. Yep.
Yeah, it was very helpful. I used it before taking EMT class, and it was just exceptional.
Yep. And then, of course, the fun 3D model, or 4D model, of the heart that your child will build so that you actually get to see what it looks like inside the heart. So just real fun, hands-on aspect to that. For art, you can draw it in just 30 minutes. And so his premise is he'll give you an assignment, a frog or whatever it is, and give you some tips throughout it, and then give you the pointers to say, okay, spend 5 minutes on this part, 5 minutes on this part, 15 minutes on this part. Timer's done, you're done. And so that you're not spending a long time, you're learning the skill of quick sketching of all these different objects in there. Teacher helps. So we have, of course, the curriculum guide that comes with the grade that we write and kind of give you some pointers, and the scheduler that kind of gives some pointers on how to schedule your year. For the religious grade, you have also the high school planners to get your child kind of planning out their day on that one. You have the Crazy Aaron's thinking putty that your child will be able to make 5 tins of their own favorite, mix and match, and figure out how to make their own favorite thinking putty as a fidget as they work through some of these history books or English writing programs or whatever, that they'll be able to keep their body from going insane. For math, we have Math UC Pre-Calculus with the instructional DVD and the workbooks, the teacher's manual to go through. As in all the other grades we recommend again that you take the pre-test or the placement test for the Math UC products to make sure you're testing your child into the right grade, and you can go up or down a grade level on math depending on where they're at. So just make sure you hit that one right. For the fun little aspect to math, we have the Dot to Dot Philadelphia, which is quite complicated, as you can see, and gets some nice sketches by the end of it. Just kind of a brain break on the math aspect. Critical thinking. Do you want to
Yeah,
talk about James
absolutely.
Madison?
So this is going to cover over 65 different skills and concepts in regards to thinking skills. It's going to include everything that you would get in an introductory logic course, and it's all through mini mysteries. So again, kind of a fun, very appealing way to do thinking skills.
Yeah. And then for our critical thinking game, we have new to us this year, Chroma Cube, which is kind of a coffee table type game, very attractive, nice wooden pieces. And the challenge of the game is always to figure out where each of these cubes go. And you have all these cards in here, challenge cards in here. And I just wanted to give you an example of some of the ones that you will be getting. So it'll show you where some of them go, and then they'll give you these clues. Coral knows black, emerald, and purple. White knows mustard and brown. Orange knows mint. Cobalt knows white, teal, emerald, and mint. Mint knows cobalt, magenta, and brown. Mustard can see teal and black. One and only one of the above clues is wrong. And it's up to your child to figure that out. So lots of critical thinking skills involved in that one.
Might want to do that course first.
Yeah, critical thinking. Okay.
For STEM, we have the Robotics by Engino. This is imported from Cyprus. It is a high quality robotics course, and it's going to show you some of the programming on the back. So it teaches robotics programming while also letting you pick some of the robots that you build.
Build them, yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
I think that hits it for this grade. And this has been obviously a very summary look at each of these products. If you want more information, go to our website for more information, for sample pages, product videos, or contact us directly with any questions you have, and we'll be happy to answer them.
Absolutely.
Thank you.